the Singing Hills where I wanted to stay might be the one up on the hill, but they were full.
Golf cars to rent here, looks like.
Sure do.
Correct.
Kids would love that whole place.
So they have cabins here on the left side. Oh, it's just a restroom. It's not a bathhouse, is it?
It's got a bath. No, it has showers in there.
It has showers in it.
Right, yes. Not a laundry. No.
All right, so it's a fairly big park. I don't know how many spots that they have in here. What did we pay for our spot? Was it about 40 bucks?
I think it was $40.
And then we got a veterans discount, 20% off, and they were kind enough to give it to Dawn and Glenn.
Actually, it was $49.
And we appreciate that.
Yes. It's nice because it isn't crowded this weekend. Yeah. This week. I don't think I'd want to go out there.
There's our little haciendas.
Little visitor early this morning.
I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow
Alaska
us.
or bust.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go. So this is the pre-delivery inspection area, and you can buy a new Corvette and have it delivered here to the Corvette Museum. And I think the option to have it done is $1,500, the cost for that. And the car is detailed out here in the museum, inspected, and then you come here and you pick it up. But the technician goes over every aspect of the car with you, so you're more comfortable with it, and then you get a chance to drive a car out on the track here across the street from the Corvette Museum. So they put you in that car and you experience all of the features that the car has, and then maybe even how the car handles on the track.
And I think they tour you around the plant. So
You get plant tour. And so here is the boulevard where the car is waiting for you to pick up. And notice one just started. You can hear the engine running. And well, it's pretty special. $1,500 does not seem to be an exorbitant amount of money to do that. Okay, tell me what we're doing.
So we are at the Corvette Museum here in Bowling Green. We just walked in the door and there are, 6 Corvettes here taped off with red tape. And the man in the red shirt over there by the red Corvette with the black stripes, he's picking his Corvette up. And then there's a man down there on the very front in a white Corvette. He's come to pick his Corvette up. So I guess they walk them through. Did you find out any more?
No, I won them, or if they're just taking delivery of them. But now that white one right there in that room, that's one of the ones that you can buy a ticket for.
1,953 tickets for $250.
But there's 4 of them in here that are giving away. The cheapest one's $100 a ticket, and they're only selling 2,000 tickets.
Dawn and Glenn are in the simulator car. We'll see.
I put my seat on.
So, see Glenn over there in the driver's seat. Let me get a photo of him over there.
Do we put seatbelts on? No.
So, Mr. Driver,
Yes, sir.
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay,
I think.
be safe. It's in Dawn's purse. All right, you ready to go?
Yep.
When you're driving the car, all it has is the wheel and 2 pedals down there. Just as some fair warnings, the wheel is very sensitive. The brakes down there, they're very stiff. You're in a race car, so you have to go all the way to the end of the brake pedal to get them to work.
Okay.
When you hit the brakes, you have to hit them, go down to full pressure immediately. Don't try to squeeze down into it, just full pressure immediately. As you get closer to the corner, you can back off of it. Do not try to do it the opposite way, or you'll end up like
Glenn.
was earlier. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, look, Glenn's number 25. You got to beat him. He did pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, good luck. Oh, golly. I didn't put on my seatbelt. Straight away. Oh, you're only going 70 miles an hour. How fast will it go?
I don't know.
This is where Glenn spun out, I think. Can't tell where the road goes. Turn to the right. Maybe to the right. Oh yeah, hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right. Woo! Oh, you gotta go now. You gotta stop. Okay, now start to go again. Think you're bogged down. All right, we're about to go. About to open up wide. Go. We got a straightaway. Go, 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 go. Now red, stop. Okay, now, this is going to be a big straightaway. Go for it. Come on, go. Go, 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 go. Floor it. Floor it. You got to pick up speed. 85. Oop, okay, stop. Oh. Okay, go. Now, fast. And slow. Right, you got to pick up speed. Come on, floor it. Floor it. That long straightaway. Go. Okay, now. Go again. Go, 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 go. Yeah, quarter of a mile here. Go, 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 go. Are you get red coming up? Go, go. Go. Red. Session complete.
Oh,
I think we
man.
did very good.
61 Corvette. 57. A 50s full-service style gas station as opposed to the self-service things that we have today. Notice the service attendant attending to the car. Gas prices, I think it showed about 30 cents a gallon, but I don't even think it was that much in those days. Here are some old race cars that were on display here. One of the interesting things that we found out about this is the race car drivers had helmets on, and then they would have all of the identifying information about the person, if they had allergies, if they had their blood type, and next of kin who you would contact. It was all stamped on their helmets. And later on, with technology, they didn't put that information on the helmets anymore, and they certainly don't do that today. This is a cutaway of the mid-engine car, a Corvette, and once it's finished in the clay model, they send it out to engineering. This is the sinkhole experience where, how many Corvettes were lost in here? 5? 8? Eight were
restored 3, so they had 5 they couldn't restore.
So this is what it looks like here, February 12th, 2014 at 5:40. Down below what the cars looked like as they were coming out. They were really damaged. Some of them damaged beyond repair. As part of a cave system, Mammoth Cave, the world's largest cave system, is not far from here, but this is not connected to Mammoth Cave.
Moved from the sinkhole and sat down and fired right up.
This section is indicating what the cave-in area looked like, and Leanne is pointing out the yellow lines, which indicates the area that was actually caved in. And this black Corvette is the one the man was talking about. It started right up after they got it out of the ground.
See? It's been all in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that black car is one of them that they restored.
Notice this nice 69 Corvette. This one here is a unique model. Check out the fins on the back. This is 2019 was the last manual transmission of the Corvette Stingray. And this is looking down into the sinkhole. You see down in there?
Wow. Corvette.
Oh, that's right. That was a one.
It's the red and black. I mean, red and white.
Yes. And this was restored, and the all the car parts were autographed by the people that put them on the assembly line.
The original.
The original, yeah. So most of the parts were recovered.
Parts, but the
One fender.
And the woman's retired, but they called her. She still lives in the area. They called her, and she came and signed the new fender that they put on.
Right.
It's pretty neat.
It is neat. 1983 was a bad year for the Corvette, and I think they made 43 cars, and so anyway, they were crushing those cars, and this is the only one that kind of survived the crushing, and it was by accident. These cars were built for testing and development, and this is the only one in existence today. The 83 Corvette was completely redesigned with some of the most far-reaching changes. So the team ran out of time to get the car validated as a 1983 edition. So this led Chevrolet General Manager Bob Stemple to make the decision to bypass the 1983 model designation. The pre-production cars were ordered to be disposed of as focus turned to the 84 Corvette. A mobile car crusher was assigned to the Bowling Green assembly plant, and all but one was destroyed. This one. The Batmobile. Of course, you have to get the bat in the very back of the car. Go stand over there by Batman. We'll get you in Batman. Get you in Batman. Let's go. Batman. And then the popcorn machine.
My favorite car in the whole Corvette museum.
It's popcorn wagon.
Popcorn wagon. Listen.
Always popping. We're here at Popcorn. That concluded our visit to the National Corvette Museum. We enjoyed the walking around, looking at all the cars, and especially hearing the cars run in the garage area. The next day we left and went to the Mammoth Cave National Park. Enjoyed that as well. Pictures from the and the videos that came out they were a little bit dark, and we apologize for it, but it's still interesting to take a look at. Hope you enjoy it. We are at Mammoth Cave. Today is April 18th, Rachel's birthday.
Happy birthday, Rachel.
Yes, happy birthday, Rach. So this is the entrance to the historic cave, and we'll be taking a tour. It's about, 2.5 hours?
Yeah, 540 stairs to climb.
Yeah.
Up and down.
Yeah. Here we go. So we're here. We're getting ready to go on a tour of the cave.
Historic tour.
Mammoth Cave.
This is the entrance to the Mammoth Cave. There's water dripping. Don't know how much of this we'll get. It may just be too dark.
Attach that on the book bag. You can keep it on that.
I don't think so. No. Look at the difference in the color right here on the left side.
Well, I think that's the light.
It could be the light.
Yeah, I think that's the light.
Is this the bottomless pit? This is the bottomless pit.
I hear.
We're coming up on Fat Man's Misery here. We'll see how fat I am.
Well, you got that book bag too.
Yeah. I feel how smooth the rocks are through here. I guess hands
I
are...
guess because everybody has to hold on
Hold
to
on
it.
to
I don't
it,
want
yeah.
to touch it, but coming up, well, at least you don't get bored because there's a lot of different
Yeah.
maneuvers to make.
Yeah, look at your head. Look over your head. Look at that.
I know, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Bats in there.
You think the bats are in there?
I said there could be. We'll need to get back in there. Look at Nancy's place. Okay. I think there's like something.
Oh,
You okay?
yeah, I thought I heard a head bump.
Oh. Okay, here we go. We'll not climb in.
Great.
Crab crawl.
Is that the crab crawl?
Yeah, except I think we're supposed to be on our back and doing that. Oh my.
Eight 56 or something that was on there. Concluded our visit to Mammoth Cave. Interesting, it's deep, it's huge. Wow. Over 2 hours of walking up and down the stairs. I forgot how many stairs there were, but there were a lot of them.